Hi friends, welcome to my channel Technical Arcwen. Today's topic number system part 2. So go for it. Today's topic converting from one number system to another. Okay. Now first we convert from decimal number system to binary. Okay. Now there are some rules are there. Rules is that decimal number system is known as standard number system between these four number system. Okay. Now the conversion is going from decimal to other number system and other number system to decimal. Okay. Also you can convert from one number system to another number system, but first we are discussing from standard number system to other number system and other number system to standard number system, means from decimal to others and others to decimal. Okay. Now when I am talking to decimal to binary, and there is a two possibilities are there. The number either a pure number or a fraction number. Okay. So at first I am discussing the pure number, means conversion of decimal number which is a pure and how it convert into a binary. Okay. Now we are convert this 42 which is a decimal number and we want to convert into binary. Why? Because the base is 2, right? And it's also a pure number. So if the number is pure, then we divide the number using the converting base, means the converting number system what is a binary, so we are just dividing by 2. So if I divide that, so what the quotient will be 21, and what the remainder is 0. The next step, the 10 will be quotient and 1 will be the remainder, and the third step 5 will be the quotient, 0 will be the remainder, and the next step 2 will be the quotient and 1 will be the remainder. The last step 1 will be the quotient and 0 will be the remainder. Okay. Now we take these numbers from bottom to top. This should remember, means the number should be taken from bottom to top. So what will be the number? It starts from 1, next to 0, next to 1, next to 0, next to 1, next 0. So this will convert into the binary. After converting the number in binary, it must to provide the base. If I am not providing any base, so the number does not belong any number system. Okay. So that's why I am writing 10 10 10, which coming from this example, and I am writing the base 2. That means this number is converted and in a binary number. Now the next conversion is decimal to octal number system. Okay. Now the same example we have taken 46, the base is 10, means is a decimal number system. Now it convert into octal. Why? Because the base is 8. So what the calculation procedure? Same way, the converting number is 8. So that's why I am dividing the 46 using 8, and 5 is the quotient and 6 is the remainder. Okay. So the end of the calculation. So what will be the result? We take from bottom to top. The last number will be the 5 and just above number will be the 6, and we should define the base. The base is 8. That means 46 in decimal, and when it convert into octal, the number will be 56, and the base should define in 8. Now the next conversion, decimal to hexadecimal number system. Okay. Now we take the another example 428 in decimal and convert into hexadecimal. So the same procedure like binary and octal, we are just dividing 4 to 8 using 16. Why? Because hexadecimal base is 16. Okay. Now what will be the quotient? The quotient will be 26, and what will be the remainder? Remainder will be 12. Okay. Next step, again divide by 16, and 1 will be the quotient and 10 will be the remainder. Okay, now this is the most important part for the hexadecimal. What the important thing? Now their remainder 12, their remainder is 10, but we never write this 10, 12 in converting number. What we'll write? Equivalent of 12 we know it is C, and equivalent of 10 it is A. Okay, and we take this from bottom to top. So what will be the result? The result will be 1, because this 1 will be the last. Next we write A, and next we write the C, and we put the base. The base is 16. So 428 in decimal, when it convert, the result in hexadecimal will be 1AC, and base should be 16. I hope you have understood this topic. If you have any queries or doubt, so please write on my comment section. Okay, thank you.